Good afternoon, Recon here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at something, a little throwback from the past here. I purchased two iPhone 4S's on eBay. I haven't taken them out or looked at them other than just opening the box like this. But the seller said they are in very good condition, which they appear to be. I don't see any scratches or nicks or anything on them. At least this one is good. Put that one over here. He had two of them. He was looking, I think, $18 a piece, and I offered him like $14, and I think he took that, so I ended up paying $28 for the two. I want to say they're both GSM CDMA iPhones. I'm going to try to use them on T-Mobile and see what happens, see if they work. But they're pretty clean. I'm going to probably clean one of these up and restore it, and probably put it back on eBay because I don't need two of them. But since I got the deal on them, I just purchased both of them just in case. So we're going to go ahead and, I don't know if they're charged or not. If not, I'm going to have to find a 30-pin cable. But we're going to try to go ahead and power these up here. And it looks like they're both turning on. It looks like they are both on a very old software version because of the Apple logo here. They have the old school logo. I don't know if you can tell in the video. He said they haven't been updated in a while, so that is good. I want to run the original software on these just as like a throwback. So that is exactly what I was looking for, which is why I went with these, because they're very clean and they are on an older software version. And they're both restored, so we're gonna take this one right here because the battery's a little more charged. Looks like this one may have a little bit of screen yellowing. This one right here, not so much, looks great. So we're gonna go ahead and set them up. This brings back so many memories to my first iPhone. Let me just connect to the Wi-Fi real quick. My first iPhone was an iPhone 6S, so get the password right. There we go. As soon as that connects, we'll hit next here. There we go. Super nice to see these old devices. I remember my first unboxing. I was so excited to get my iPhone. My parents went to the Apple store to pick it up and came home with it, and I set it up right away. I was about to go on a road trip, so I had this the whole trip to just play around with. We're going to set it up as new. I'm going to skip this for right now. Yes, we're going to use Siri. It's got the old school Siri. That is amazing. Let's see. I don't know if we'll be able to download any apps from the App Store or anything just because it's so outdated. But let's see what we're running here. 6.1.3. Right now it is a Verizon iPhone, but like I said, I'm pretty sure it is unlocked. Hello.
Hello.
It's got the old voice and everything. Let me pull up Safari real quick and see. Let's see, where's the space? I want Google. Let's see, the iPhone 4S. Let's see what the original version of iOS was for the 4S. Looks like it was 5.1.1. Yeah, iOS 5. So it's on iOS 6, so it's been updated once. I'm pretty sure this one's probably on iOS 6 as well. This one looks like it. I don't know if they both have service now. Yeah, so they're both looking like they're on iOS 6. I want to play around with them a bit, see if I can get anything else working. And I'm going to leave them on this original software. And then I'll do another video doing like a throwback to the iPhone 4S in 2019. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And have a great day.